everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Messenger application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to download the Facebook Messenger application for your iPhone, tap Open your App Store. Soon after you do that, go to the search button in the lower right hand corner and tap it on. In the search box that appears at the very top, type in Messenger and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top on the next page. Tap on the download button right next to the app in order to get the application downloaded for your iPhone. If you tap on the app, you'll be able to see further information about the app, its ratings and reviews, and so much more. Messenger is an instant messaging app and a platform developed by Facebook. It was originally named as Facebook Chat, but the company has now been revamped its messaging service in 2010. The app can be downloaded for both Android and iOS. Quick and easy, tap on the open button after the download is completed and you should be able to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Messenger application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.